aren't you?
Not on your
I'll arrange it,
Naga.
Carol. New Year's present.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
For nothing. Good morning, everybody. This morning, well, it's a cool start across Scotland and Northern Ireland. You've got some clear skies, but we've got a band of rain moving west to east across England and Wales. And behind that, we'll see a return to sunshine and showers. So here's our band of rain. It's actually a cold front, which is moving slowly eastwards. We've got a peppering of showers coming in across northern and western Scotland, some of those getting into Northern Ireland as well. And as this band of rain advances eastwards, it will turn lighter and more patchy in nature, allowing sunshine to follow on behind. But some of those showers in the west could be on the heavy side. Temperatures today lower than yesterday. For most, we reached 15 degrees in Rhyl yesterday, but for much of Scotland, northern England, Wales, towards the Midlands, we're looking at 7 to about 10 degrees, still hanging on to the milder conditions across the Channel Islands and the southeast, where we've got the cloud and the remnants of the rain. Now, that rain will become ensconced in the southeast and the Channel Islands as we go through the course of the night. Clear skies follow on behind, some showers, some of those coming down the east coast of Scotland, getting down towards the northeast coast of England as well. And we're more likely to have a widespread frost tonight across many areas, away from where we've got the cloud hanging on. The other thing about tonight is we're likely to see some mist and fog patches forming. Now, they'll be slow to lift tomorrow. Some of them will hang around all day. You can see some cloud in the charts. We still will have a weather front in the south as well, with a few showers coming in across Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, and still down the east coast of Scotland and northeast England. Temperatures tomorrow, 6 to about 12 degrees. And Naga and Dan, it's getting colder by day and by night as we go through the rest of the week. Morning with a pretty nifty weather forecast, I think, Naga. This morning it's a chilly start for some of us, particularly where we've had the clear skies by night in Scotland and Northern Ireland. For England and for Wales, there's a bit more cloud around and we've got some rain. And as that rain moves away, we'll see a return to sunshine and showers. Now, we've got this cold front here. This is what's producing the rain, and behind it we've got the colder air. You can see not much in the way of wind. The isobars are well spaced out, and as the weather front moves towards the south and east, it will weaken. But it has been producing some rain in the last few hours. You can see all this coming out of southern Scotland, moving across England and Wales, followed by some showers across the north and the west. And we'll see those continue today. Some of them will be heavy across northern and western Scotland, some getting into Northern Ireland as well. Meanwhile, our band of rain continues to push over towards the southeast, leaving clear skies for southwest England, the Midlands, Wales, northern England and also eastern Scotland. Temperatures today lower than they were yesterday. We've got 8 to 10 or 11 in the southwest, but where we've got the weather front producing the cloud and rain, temperatures hanging on in there, 13s and 14s. Now, through this evening and overnight, our weather front will become ensconced in the southeastern corner in the Channel Islands. So once again, a fair bit of cloud around with rain pulsing along the weather front that's producing this. Some showers coming down the North Sea coastline across eastern Scotland and also into northeast England. We can see 1 or 2 in Cheshire. But it's going to be a colder night than we've seen of late, with a widespread frost more readily. And the other thing is there'll also be some patchy mist and fog forming. Now, some of that will be slow to clear tomorrow. Some of it will just lift up into low cloud. So here's the cloud resting across the Channel Islands and Kent. Again, it's our weather front. It will have some spots of rain on it at times. There'll be some sunshine, though, to look forward to, and still those showers coming down the northeast coastline of the UK. Later, we'll see this weather front arrive, but look how the temperature's continuing to fall across the board, still hanging on, though, where we've got the cloud and the rain. Now, overnight, from Thursday into Friday, we're going to have, again, some frost. It's going to be a cold night, and there'll be some fog forming more readily. And during the course of Friday, that will take its time to lift. Some of it just lifting into low cloud, and you can see there is quite a bit of cloud on the charts, but nonetheless, we'll also see some sunny skies develop. But remember that weather front I pointed out in the northwest? Here it is, producing some rain from the Northern Isles across western Scotland, eventually getting into Northern Ireland. The rain on it not particularly heavy. Temperature-wise, well, we're looking at 6 in Aberdeen and Cardiff, 10 in St Helier. And as for the weekend, well, there'll be a lot of dry weather around, fair bit of cloud, and it's going to be cold by day and night with some mist and fog, which will be slow to clear. We could see some rain coming into the northwest on Sunday even. Naga and Dan.
Someday my prince will come. Thank you very much for that, Carol.
That was good for you, Dan.
Hello. Hello. Is that A&E?
1-0, 1-0.
I'd like to report a burn. Thank you. Can you come and help me, please? Thank you, Carol. I was trying to be nice, and you massively pied me off.
Do you know what?
Good morning, everybody. This morning it's a chilly start to the day where, of course, we've had clear skies across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. For England and for Wales, we've got a band of rain moving across, and behind it we'll see some brighter skies. But there's a lot of cloud in England and Wales currently. It's taking its rain, which will turn increasingly patchy over towards the east and the Channel Islands, and then look at all that sunshine coming out behind, with a peppering of showers in the northwest of Scotland and also Northern Ireland, and some of those could be heavy. Temperatures today, well, lower than they were yesterday. The top temperature yesterday was in Rhyl, that was 15 degrees, but we're looking at 8 to 11 behind that weather front. Ahead of it, we're still in the milder conditions, so 12, 13 or indeed 14. Now, this evening and overnight, we still have our weather front across East Anglia, the southeast and the Channel Islands. Still pulses of rain moving along it. Clear skies for many, with some showers coming down the North Sea coastline, a few getting in through Cheshire, 1 or 2 in Northern Ireland as well. And a colder night, more widespread cold feel to the weather tonight, with more in the way of frost. And the other thing tonight you'll find is there'll be some patchy mist and fog forming. Now, tomorrow that mist and fog will be slow to lift. Some of it will just lift into low cloud and hang around for much of the day. We still have our weather front across the Channel Islands and the southeast, still with a fair bit of cloud, the odd spot of rain, and still some showers coming down this North Sea coastline, with a few getting into western Scotland and also Northern Ireland. Temperatures 7 to about 11 degrees, but still 12 in St Helier. I'll have more weather in half an hour, and I'll look at the forecast further ahead.
Look forward to that.